This kind of happens a lot. Inferior pressure treated post from Home Depot being replaced by a superior pressure treated post from Lowe's. Anyway, we had wind, we had a lot of rain. Look at, you can see this is the soil I excavated. This is decomposed wood chips, etc. Down in there is the hole. I pretty much used this to dig it out. And look, I just wrapped it with this chain. I'm gonna yank that out right now by hand. Yeah, y'all think I'm lying? I've done this before, so I know how the ground releases. It's wet right now, and the wood is wet, so the wood is swollen. So I'm gonna kind of just grab this chain and just gently pick straight up on it. I'll put my foot over here on the left and watch. Plus, if I can't get it, I got my tractor. It slipped. Nah, it's coming out. Look, 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 look. I'm telling you, this is some Basque ingenuity right here, okay? That's what that is. Y'all can think it's staged all you want. Let me show you something. That looked like the hand of someone who stages stuff. No. It just works, okay? Look at how much of that was in the ground. No kidding. I just pressed it over. Grapes are there left and right, just hundreds of pounds of grapes. And a diagonal brace. And I put the muddy dirt in here. I just dug it out. I can kind of probably make that out. Anyway, I'm glad it came out because I didn't have to use the tractor, because it's a little bit beyond the reach of my bucket. And honestly, we got so many of these, and there's so many on the other side. Tractor can't do it. You got to be able to do it by hand, folks. If you can't do it by hand and you're exerting way too much sweat, chances are you're working too hard. Chances are greater that you're doing it wrong. God bless, folks.